We're sick.
This is going to be a shit show.
Both of us are sick.
I've got cheese.
But this is Mel.
And this is Steve.
And we're sick.
Yeah.
And he has cheese. And we have this game.
Very exciting.
Very exciting. Which is called what is it called?
It's called the Game of
Orgy. It is called the Game of Orgy. It is clearly from the 70s. And we have no fucking idea what this game is about.
We just picked it up.
We picked it up because a friend of mine, it was at her house, and I saw it, and I was like, can I borrow this? But then it was all like, it was pristine. Like, it wasn't even opened. Like, do you see, like, the plastic is still on
Even though the box has got wear marks on it.
Yeah, but this was not even opened.
This package has never been opened.
At all. So
it's a virgin orgy.
It's a virgin orgy box. So we're going to do that. Why are you laughing now?
I'm excited now.
Okay, so here's this book, The Game of Orgy.
Game of Orgy.
Ooh, look, there's a free book coupon. The free book coupon. This coupon is good for one free copy of Deep Foot by Richard M. Vixen with a foreword by Robert Rimmer, author of The Herod Experiment. I don't even know what this means.
Oh, God only knows what that is.
Okay, I don't know what that means.
This is written by Richard M. Vixen.
Oh, okay, so
this must be his
book.
game.
Yeah.
Oh, with a foreword by Robert Rimmer.
Oh, there we go. So
author of The Herod Experiment.
Okay, we don't know these people.
Maybe it's a coupon for this book itself.
Is it a free coupon for this actual book? It's another book.
This is Deep Foot. This is another
different book.
A different book written by
this guy.
The same people.
Okay, so here we are, Book of Orgy.
It's got removable game cards for 34 different games.
34 different games.
There were that many different ways to do an orgy.
There's so many ways to do an orgy. We all do that, don't we? I think there's an additional thing that we need in addition to this game. It's like a deck of cards or something. What is that? Well, that's a fucking dinosaur.
I know.
What is it?
Yeah, it's a cyclopic dinosaur with a mustache.
Okay.
And it looks a wee bit phallic to me.
Well, yes. Because it's an orgy.
Lesbian bigot orgy.
Lesbian bigot or gay orgy. Okay, can we please just remember this game was made in the 70s?
The Ultra Wallace orgy.
The what?
Which is much better than just the Super Wallace orgy or...
Oh, fuck, dude. Okay, this was created in Eugene, Oregon.
Of course it was.
Eugene, Oregon is where this thing is from. Motherfucker. Okay. So there's that.
So there's the Wallace orgy, there's the Super Wallace orgy, and the Ultra Wallace orgy.
So what this says is all you need is a deck of playing cards 2 or more people can play. This contains 200 interlocking chips of 7 colors. So that's this right here. 2 special orgy cubes or dice. So those are the other 2 cubes over there. 8 game cards. Do you see game cards anywhere? Oh, are these the game cards? These are game cards. And the 136-page game book containing 34 orgy-based games. This book was created by Richard M. Vixen, author of Deep Foot and Deeper Foot, with a foreword by Robert Rimmer and author of The Herod Experiment. So do we choose one of these games and then...
Yeah.
Is that what we do?
Part 4, Asino.
Fucking Eugene.
Then there's the Wallace. On. The Wallace. The Liberated Asino. The Wallace Asino. The Super Wallace Asino. And I'm guessing there's an Ultra Wallace.
This is what everybody should do when they're sick. Is...
Anita Canasta.
Anita?
Yeah. Lesbian Bigot Canasta. Ultra Wallace Canasta. So these are just variations.
Of all these things. And these cards are... This is so weird. So this is Anita Orgy game card.
Is there no stopping Richard M. Vixen? Question mark.
I don't know.
By Rob Rimmer, author of The Herod Experiment.
Okay. These guys were very busy, and they were super into each other.
Written in 1978. Orgy. Orgy is a game of sexual symbolism, created as a refreshing new concept in cards and games. Instead of winning with high numbers, runs, trumps, and tricks, certain combinations of cards called affairs give you a winning hand. The affairs symbolize various types of sexual relating. This game is for sexually sophisticated adults.
Are we that? Let's get my tiny mustache.
Yes. Yeah, that's us. Who desire to use this game as a tool to become more sexually sophisticated.
Okay.
Oh no, I'm sorry. It's for sexually sophisticated or sexually. It's for sexually sophisticated adults or sexually unsophisticated adults who desire to become more sexually sophisticated.
Okay, so they were trying to grow their tiny mustache.
Yeah, that's right.
So,
Let me show you how to chew it on your mustache.
Yes.
The deluxe orgy game contains everything you need to play all the orgy games, with the exception of Domino Orgy, which requires one set of double 12 dominoes. We have those. If you have simply purchased this book, all you need is 200 standard poker chips and 1 or 2 decks of cards.
This.
One accessory comes with the deluxe orgy game, which is what we have, I assume, is a pair of orgy cubes.
Which are also in this box, orgy cubes. This has not been opened since 1978, FYI.
These are not at all necessary to play the game, but offer some intriguing bonus action.
Bonus action? What kind of orgy action with the two of us are we going to have?
If this is interesting to you, see the last page of the book for more information on how to order some. Okay.
All right.
To play any of the games in this book, it suggests you learn how to play Liberated Orgy, the first game in this book, before you go on and learn any of the rest of the games.
Then let's do that.
Once you've mastered Liberated Orgy, learning any of the other 33 orgy-based games in this book.
We need to master.
It's easy. Let's master some Liberated Orgy.
So we're going to take a pause now in the filming, and we're going to master
some Liberated Orgy.